Looking to elevate your backyard barbecues? Discover the top 5 best electric smokers that combine flavor, convenience, and precision. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, these smokers offer innovative features like digital controls, ample cooking space, and hassle-free cleanup. From juicy meats to smoky perfection, find your ultimate outdoor cooking companion. Number 1. Masterbuilt Digital Electric Barbecue Smoker. The Masterbuilt Digital Electric Barbecue Smoker is a must-have for barbecue enthusiasts seeking convenience and professional quality results. Its digital controls are a standout feature, allowing you to set precise cooking temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and desired cooking times effortlessly. This makes smoking meats a seamless and worry-free process. A highlight is the patented side wood chip loader, enabling you to add wood chips without opening the smoker door. This innovation locks in heat, smoke, and moisture, ensuring consistently flavorful and juicy meats. Additionally, the removable water bowl adds moisture during the cooking process, with the option to infuse your dishes with various juice flavors for a unique twist. The smoker's spacious vertical design offers 711 square inches of cooking space across four chrome-coated racks, accommodating up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, for pork butts, or for racks of ribs. Cleanup is effortless, thanks to the removable rear grease tray, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned smoker, the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Barbecue Smoker combines functionality, innovation, and ease of use, making it an excellent investment for your backyard barbecue adventures. Number 2. Traeger Electric Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Traeger Pro Series 22 electric pellet grill and smoker redefines outdoor cooking by replacing gas and charcoal with the superior flavor of wood-fired grilling. As the pioneer of wood pellet grills, Traeger offers an unparalleled grilling experience that delivers rich, smoky flavor with every bite. With 6-in-1 versatility, this grill allows you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. Whether you're cooking low and slow or hot and fast, the Traeger Pro Series ensures juicy perfection across a variety of recipes. The Digital Pro controller with advanced grilling logic provides precision temperature control, maintaining consistency within plus 15 degrees Fahrenheit and reaching a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit for flawless results. The grill's sturdy steel construction and durable powder coat finish ensure long-lasting performance, while the porcelain-coated grates are easy to clean. All-terrain wheels add portability, making it ideal for any backyard or campsite. With a generous 572 square inch cooking capacity, you can easily prepare meals for large gatherings, fitting up to 4 chickens, 5 racks of ribs, or 24 burgers at once. The Traeger Pro Series 22 delivers exceptional flavor, versatility, and reliability, making it a perfect choice for backyard chefs and barbecue enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Bradley Outdoor Digital Vertical Smoker. The Bradley Outdoor Digital Vertical Smoker is a premium choice for home chefs and food smoking enthusiasts looking to achieve professional-level results. Designed to accommodate the 4 included racks, this electric smoker offers a spacious 572 square inch rack area and a 2,288 square inch total cooking area, making it perfect for smoking large quantities of meat, fish, or vegetables. Its sleek and innovative design ensures ease of use. The smoker features a fully automatic biscuit loading system, allowing you to smoke effortlessly for up to 9 hours without constant monitoring. The natural draft system provides consistent airflow, delivering perfectly smoked dishes every time. Crafted with a durable and easy-to-clean stainless steel interior, this smoker resists rust and ensures hassle-free maintenance, even after multiple uses. Measuring 19 by 22 by 35 inches, the compact yet spacious design fits seamlessly into any outdoor cooking setup. Bradley smokers are known for delivering the best smoke flavor, and this digital model is no exception. Whether you're a seasoned smoker or a beginner, this smoker is designed to elevate your dishes with rich, delicious flavors. Experience the Bradley difference because, as they say, it's all about the flavor. Number 4. Eastoak 30-inch Electric Smoker. The Eastoak 30-inch electric smoker is a fantastic addition to any outdoor cooking setup, delivering professional quality smoking results with ease. Featuring a side wood chip loader, this smoker ensures continuous smoke for up to 2 to 3 hours without needing to open the door, preserving internal heat and locking in rich, smoky flavors for perfectly smoked dishes. With its powerful 800W heating tube, the smoker guarantees tender and juicy meats through consistent low and slow cooking. For recipe inspiration, East Oak's website offers plenty of ideas to elevate your smoking game. The 725 square inch cooking space includes four removable chrome-plated racks, perfect for placing meat on the lower racks and vegetables on the upper ones. The digital control panel makes cooking hassle-free, offering precise temperature control, 100 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and a maximum 12-hour timer for extended cooking sessions. Durability is a top priority, with a triple lead casing and aluminum-plated edges ensuring long-lasting performance. 2 rear wheels and a handle make it easy to move the smoker around your yard or patio. Backed by a 3-year warranty and lifetime customer support, the East Oak Electric Smoker is a reliable and versatile choice for beginners and seasoned chefs alike, perfect for holidays or backyard gatherings. Number 5. Pit Boss Grill's Pellet Electric Smoker. The Pit Boss Grill's Pellet Electric Smoker offers everything you need for versatile and efficient smoking, making it an excellent choice for barbecue enthusiasts. With a digital LED readout and an included meat probe, you can easily monitor internal temperatures for precise and stress-free cooking. This smoker boasts 5 porcelain-coated cooking grids, providing an impressive 1,548 square inch of cooking space. Its durable design also includes a porcelain-coated water pan and heat deflector, ensuring even heat distribution and maintaining moisture for perfectly cooked meats. Equipped with a 40+ pound hopper capacity, the smoker can run for over 24 hours on a single load of pellets, minimizing refills during long smoking sessions. The programmable temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you the flexibility to smoke low and slow or sear at higher temperatures, catering to a variety of recipes. The Auto Start 300-watt igniter with auto shut-off ensures safe and easy operation. Whether you're smoking ribs, brisket, or even desserts, the Pit Boss Pellet Smoker delivers reliability, ease of use, and superior results. Its high capacity and advanced features make it ideal for both backyard gatherings and serious smoking enthusiasts.